Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew Zeelicious. First, begin by searing your chosen cut of meat in a heavy-bottomed pot over high heat. This crucial step creates a deep, rich flavor foundation for your stew. Ensure all sides of the meat are beautifully browned, forming a dark, caramelized crust. Once seared, remove the meat from the pot and set it aside, reserving those flavorful bits in the pot. Next, it's time to build your aromatic foundation. In the same pot, add a bit more oil and sauté your chopped onions, carrots, and celery until they are tender and fragrant. Then, deglaze the pot with a splash of wine or broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Stir in a tablespoon or two of tomato paste and cook it for about 1 minute to enhance its sweetness and depth. Now return your seared meat to the pot. Pour in enough rich beef or vegetable broth to just cover the ingredients, along with your favorite herbs like bay leaves and thyme. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook slowly. This slow cooking process, for at least 2 to 3 hours, is key to achieving incredibly tender meat and a deeply flavorful broth. Finally, for those perfect finishing touches, add any additional vegetables like potatoes, mushrooms, or peas during the last hour of cooking. This ensures they are tender but not mushy. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, freshly ground pepper, and perhaps a splash of vinegar or lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Serve your Zeelicious stew hot, garnished with fresh parsley, and savor every comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.